Hi, my name is Rafflesia arnoldii, also known as the Stinky Lily Corpse, and this is my dating profile. Here to the right, I have a picture of me. An interesting fact about me is that I have no roots, no stems, or leaves. I just have my host vine I use to attach to other plants within the environment, and my petals. I am the largest flower in the world, and I'm one of the most unique you could ever meet. I am usually found within the rainforest in southern Eastern Asian countries, such as Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and countries surrounding there. In the first picture, I have my rainforest adventures. I love to be in the rainforest. I love the climate. I love the humidity. And it's just the typical ideal home for me. And in the middle, I meet a lot of people every day. Tourists from all over the world come to see me, especially to get a chance to see me bloom. Whenever I bloom, my petals stretch out for about 1 meter to 3 feet, and it is really an interesting sight to see, which rarely happens because my reproduction and fertilization lifespan is 5 to 7 days, which gives little time for people to see me and my true beauty. And here on the last picture, we have many people taking pictures of me. I'm very photogenic because, like I said, millions of people are coming to see me every day and traveling all the way to Southeastern Asian islands to come see me. And it's really rare for them to see someone like me, of course. Okay, and here's a little more about my unique life. I'm very famous in various parts of the world because, of course, I have the reputation of being the largest flower in the world. And because of that, people are always wanting to take pictures with me whenever they get a chance. Here in the left picture, I have the structure of my plant, or me. Here you can see I have the host vine. I use that to attach to various plants since I'm a parasitic plant. Here are my buds, meaning my flowers I produce after going through my life cycle. And here you can see in detail my red and brown pigment of my petals, and of course where I pollinate in the center of my body. Okay. I've been known to have a very horrid smell. Some people tend to find it very intoxicating, while others, such as carrion flies and animals who feed off my seed, tend to enjoy my smell. And since I'm an endangered species, of course, I'm a keeper. Here's where you can find me. I'm usually within southern Eastern Asian islands, as I said before, which is located around here. Typically the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Borneo, Java, and Sumatra. And I love the humidity of each of these countries, which make it an ideal place for me to live. My favorite food, well, of course, I'm kind of lazy. I'm very dependent on other plants, especially the tetrastigma vines. Those are my favorite. And when it comes to finding food, that's not really for me. I just attach to the host plant and absorb the nutrients within the roots or the stem. They usually don't like to become my friends because at the end I usually take all their nutrients to where they wither and die. So yeah. My family life, there are over 30 species and counting that are related to me. And when it comes to producing, I'm really shy and timid. Here's a picture of me when I'm not going through my life cycle and fertilization. I usually tend to ball up and I look like a large cabbage. But when I'm ready to produce, I spread out my petals, and it takes me 5 to 7 days for pollinators such as the flies and then animals to retrieve my seeds so I can be distributed all over the islands. And a little fun fact about me is that I am based off a Pokemon known as Vileplume, because I'm just that famous. You can make any character out of me. But anyways, thanks for meeting me, and hope you date me. And here are my works cited. Thank you.